This is a pocket nappy made by Cubkind. So the Cubkind nappy has a popper fastening at the waist here and poppers to adjust the rise of the nappy to fit your baby. Inside you'll see elastics at the back and the front, which are great to prevent leaks, and a quick drying fabric layer that's also soft against baby's skin. We've got leg gussets for a neat fit and the pocket opening which sits at the back of the nappy. The Cubkind comes with 2 boosters. The green edged booster is a 4-layer bamboo terry fabric. It soaks up a lot. The blue edged booster is made from 3 layers of bamboo with cotton, and it will hold a lot of wet. When you stuff the nappy, you should really put the blue edged booster closest to baby as it soaks up more quickly, and the green booster will then pick up any slack. So we take the nappy and we need to adjust the poppers to fit our baby. My baby is probably somewhere in the middle, so we'll go for the second set of poppers here. Just pop them up. You don't need to undo them when you put the nappy in the wash. You can just leave them as they are and then just move them when baby grows. Once you've adjusted the poppers to fit your baby, and it is trial and error to begin with, you just tuck any excess fabric up towards the waistband to get a better fit on the legs. Now, to fit this nappy on your baby, lay the nappy out flat with the pockets at the top, which is the back. Baby goes down on the nappy like this. The back elastic here can be fairly low to their bottom, and that lets you get a good fit from the rise of the nappy for a longer time. So you bring the front of the nappy up between baby's legs like this and fasten the waist poppers. So the second line of poppers is very important because it stops the sides on the tabs here from hanging down. So you need to do all 3 of these poppers up, and you can adjust them later if you need to, but they should just be tight enough to comfortably fit your fingers in and avoids it being too tight on baby's tummy. The leg elastics should be tucked in to the knicker line, so check all the way around, and that avoids leaks. This nappy washes at 40 degrees with other nappies or your ordinary laundry. Remove any solids into the toilet first, and to assist with this you could use a washable or a disposable liner. You can put your nappies in the machine on a rinse and spin cycle and add further laundry to make up a complete load. Wash them at 40 degrees with an ordinary dose of non-bio washing powder, and fabric softener shouldn't be used with nappies at all as it reduces their absorbency. So that's the Cubkind pocket nappy.